What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my new weekly laundry routine. This is the routine that I've been doing for about a month or so, and it has made life so much easier. I used to try and get in a load a day, and that just was not working for me. I'm too busy of a mom, and I just do not have time to get it all done every single day. So I was watching House of Hunt's laundry routine, and I thought it was such a great idea that she only does laundry once a week. So I gave it a try, and it has been a game changer. I did tweak some things a little bit, and I wanted to share that with you guys. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and let's get started. So on Friday nights, I actually bring down all of our bins except for Riley's and our towels, and I go through everything and sort them all out with darks, whites, lights, and everything like that. Considering we are only a family of 3, we do have a lot of laundry because Nick likes to go to the gym, I go to the gym, and we also have full-time jobs. So we are constantly going through clothes. So I start adding in all of our darks into the wash. Typically our darks are the biggest load, so I typically have to split them into 2. Here's a life hack that will really help you out. Check to see if your washing machine allows you to delay a wash, because that will really make your whole entire life a lot easier, especially if you're trying to do laundry in one day. I have the first load go off around 5 o'clock in the morning, so by the time I come down the next day, with Riley, a first wash has already been done, so all I have to do is put that into the dryer. Later on in the day, I do also go in and take Riley's sheets and blankets and anything like that that may need to be washed, as well as our towels, because if we took a shower last night or in the morning, these definitely need to be washed. And by now, I've probably done about 2 loads, so now I'm on to my 3rd load of laundry. And as you can see, I'm just taking everything out of the dryer to be folded. So what I like to use instead of dryer sheets are these Ecoegg Dryer Eggs, along with some essential oil that I actually picked up from the Target dollar spot. I'm using orange in this particular video, but you can use whatever one you like. They have these removable dryer rods, if you want to call them, and what I like to do is I like to add my own essential oil to them, just because the oil or the fragrance that comes with it doesn't last too long. Insert them and you are good to go. I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes. So what I personally like to do is I like to fold laundry in between each of the loads. It just makes the whole thing a lot easier rather than trying to wait until the end of the day and fold 5 or 6 or however many loads it took for you to get it all done. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. So when I fold clothes, I also like to put them in like-minded piles. I typically know which shirts go in which drawer, so if all of Nick's shirts are together, it just makes putting them away a whole lot easier. You kind of just grab the whole big pile and you could put everything into one drawer rather than doing so much more work, constantly grabbing and keep going back to the same drawer over and over again. You wait to see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. Let me know in the comment section how you tackle your laundry. I would love to hear and connect with you guys there.